The kitchen is a space where passion meets functionality, and this NutriChef 3-piece cast iron skillet set is the perfect example of this synergy. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or someone exploring their culinary skills, this skillet set promises to redefine your cooking experience. With its robust build, non-stick coating, and versatile design, the NutriChef skillet set is a must-have for anyone seeking professional quality cookware at home. Why NutriChef stands out? 1. 3 sizes for every culinary need. This set includes 3 skillets, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. Whether you're frying eggs for breakfast, searing steak for dinner, or making a stir-fry for the family, these sizes have got you covered. The variety ensures you'll always have the right pan for the job, no matter the portion size. 2. Non-stick coating for hassle-free cooking. The NutriChef skillets feature a non-stick coating that makes cooking and cleaning incredibly easy. From delicate omelets to sticky sauces, nothing clings to the surface, ensuring quick food release and minimal mess. Plus, the non-stick layer reduces the need for oils or butter, making your meals healthier. 3. Pre-seasoned for convenience. Pre-seasoning is a game-changer in cast iron cookware. It not only prevents rust during storage, but also enhances the skillet's non-stick properties. The NutriChef skillets come pre-seasoned, so you can start cooking your favorite dishes right out of the box. 4. High heat resistance. These skillets are heat-safe up to a whopping 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for versatile cooking techniques. From stovetop sautéing to oven baking, these pans transition seamlessly between different heat sources. The ability to withstand high temperatures ensures consistent results, whether you're browning meat or roasting vegetables. 5. Cool touch silicone handles. Safety and comfort are paramount in any kitchen, and the NutriChef skillet set addresses both with its removable silicone handles. These cool touch grips provide a secure hold, protecting your hands from burns and offering better control during cooking. Features that elevate your cooking: even heat distribution. Cast iron is renowned for its ability to distribute and retain heat evenly. With NutriChef skillets, you can say goodbye to hot spots and uneven cooking, ensuring perfectly prepared dishes every time. Side drip spouts. Draining excess oil or grease is no longer a messy task. The integrated side drip spouts allow for easy pouring, keeping your kitchen clean and making your meals healthier. Induction compatibility. The NutriChef skillet set works on all cooktops, including gas, induction, electric, and ceramic. This universal compatibility makes it a versatile choice for any kitchen setup. Durable construction. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, these skillets are built to last. Whether you're flipping pancakes or roasting chicken, these pans can handle it all while maintaining their structure and performance. Real-life applications. 1. For the breakfast lover. The 8-inch skillet is perfect for cooking individual servings of eggs, pancakes, or French toast. 2. For the family chef. The 10-inch skillet can handle stir-fries, pasta sauces, or sautéed vegetables for family meals. 3. For entertaining guests, the 12-inch skillet is ideal for large portions like roasted meats, casseroles, or one-pan meals for gatherings. What sets NutriChef apart from the competition? Pre-seasoning. Unlike many cast iron skillets, NutriChefs come pre-seasoned, saving you time and effort. Heat resistance. While most skillets are limited to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this set takes it up a notch with a 500 degrees Fahrenheit threshold. Ease of cleaning. The non-stick coating and pre-seasoning make cleaning a breeze, even for tough, baked-on foods. Safety features. The silicone handles are not just practical, they're a game-changer in ensuring safe handling. Pros and cons. Pros: wide range of sizes for different needs. High heat tolerance for versatile cooking. Pre-seasoned for immediate use. Durable construction that lasts years. Compatible with all cooktops. Cons: slightly heavy due to the cast iron material. Requires regular maintenance to preserve seasoning. Who should buy this? The NutriChef 3-piece cast iron skillet set is perfect for home chefs who want versatile, reliable cookware, families that need durable pans for daily use, health-conscious individuals who want non-stick benefits without harmful chemicals. Conclusion: the NutriChef 3-piece cast iron skillet set is a powerhouse addition to any kitchen. Its blend of durability, functionality, and user-friendly features makes it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Whether you're searing, frying, or baking, these skillets have got you covered. Don't wait. Transform your kitchen today. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why NutriChef is a favorite among home chefs worldwide. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.